$3 million. That is what this guy makes by selling this product. And it has more than 70,000 reviews. People are making thousands of dollars by selling this digital product. In this video, we'll try to create this same product from scratch, using only AI. So let's get started. The product is Clipart graphics. If we search this keyword on Etsy, you will notice that there are more than 100,000 listings trying to rank, so we have to narrow down our search to most selling listings only. For example, this listing is about Halloween Clipart graphics, which is also quite big term. So be more specific, such as birthday cake Clipart graphics. Whatever you choose, make sure there's demand for it. And if the demand is higher than the supply, then you have found a gap in the market. I hope you understand. In order to check the demand for particular niche or product on Etsy, search the product and open some listings. If the listing are getting regular reviews, this means that there's demand for that product. Once you've selected a niche or product to sell, it's time to create it. To create a Clipart graphic, first copy some words from the title of the desired listing and head over to Leonardo AI to create high-quality illustrations for free. Paste the copied words and make them as a prompt. Click on Add a negative prompt and type text. This way your images would not have text, and select the first image dimension. Now click on Generate button and let the AI create the images for you. When the images are created, select the one that you like and click on Remove Background. Now download the image which has no background. Now we have to separate the illustrations like this. I personally like using Photopea, which is a free online alternative to Photoshop. You can use other tools as well. First import the image you want to separate. Then select this tool from the left-hand side and create a square around the illustration like this. Press Ctrl X to cut this illustration. Navigate to File on top left corner and select New File. Make sure its background is transparent. Click Create and a new file would be created. Press Ctrl V to paste the cutted illustration. Repeat the process for all the illustrations. Once all the illustrations are separated, export all of them as PNG. The best way to give your product to the customer is by creating a simple Google Drive folder like this. Make it as not restricted, and anyone can easily access it. Add the Clipart graphics into the folder, and copy the link of the folder. Go to Canva and create a simple PDF page with a button which redirects the customer to the Google Drive folder. This means that the person that will buy our product will receive this PDF page. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.